In the beginning of the story, we are shown a little girl named Nika, where she was going for a holiday with her family, and while they are on the way, Nika sees a wolf, seeing which she gets very scared, so there her mother starts calming her down, but then suddenly they meet with an accident, and in the same accident, Nika's parents die, and Nika also falls unconscious in the middle of the road, but then the same wolf comes near Nika but goes away from there without doing anything to her. And then the scene shifts and we are shown Nika where she is now alone after that accident. And all she has left as a memento is her mother's necklace. So because she is alone, she is sent to an orphanage. But after coming here, Nika's life changes completely. This place is very dangerous, and along with this, any child is strictly forbidden to cry here. So all the children here have to hide their tears within themselves and live like a corpse. That is why all the children here call this place a grave. And after some time Nika also reaches there. There she meets a girl named Margaret who is the owner of this orphanage, and as soon as she sees Nika, the first thing she asks her to do is to remove her necklace, because no personal thing was allowed inside here. On hearing this, a child named Rigel comes there and removes her necklace, which was the last memento of his mother. Now at night Nika meets a girl named Adeline, where both of them become good friends. Now time starts passing like this. And then the scene shifts and we are shown both of them where now both of them have grown up. And then one day Anna and her husband come there and adopt Nika. Seeing this, Nika becomes very happy because she had spent so many years here with great difficulty. And her dream was to get free from this world of captivity and start a new life. So today her dream was getting fulfilled. So she happily starts going with that couple. But then they hear the sound of the piano which was being played by Rigel. Anna and her husband are very impressed by Rigel's piano playing. So they both decide to adopt Rigel as well. But here Nika did not like Rigel at all. But still she has to go with him. Now after some time both of them reach their new home. And then they both come to know that Anna and her husband had a son. And he used to play the piano very well. But he died some time ago, and this was the reason why both of them got attracted to Rigel. After that, they all go to their rooms and Rigel also goes to his room. But then Nika comes there, and she starts talking to him about adoption. But Rigel tells Nika that I do not want to talk about it. Saying this, he closes the door. Now at night, all of them are having dinner when Anna's husband starts asking them about orphanage, to which Nika says that we have grown up together like brother and sister. Hearing this, Rigel repeats what Nika said by placing his hand on Nika's leg from under the table. Nika feels a bit strange, so she gets up from there and goes to the bathroom. And then Rigel also comes there following her. Seeing him, Nika tells Rigel to stay away from her. After that she goes to her room to sleep, but then she gets a childhood dream where all the children in the orphanage were not allowed to cry. And they used to tell them that if they cry then a devil will come and take them away. But then a boy comes there and tells that Rigel's health has deteriorated again. Hearing this, all the children go and see him. There Margaret was giving him medicine with great love. But then someone suddenly locks Nika in a dark room. But then she also wakes up from her sleep. Now the next day Rigel and Nika leave for their school. And when they both reach school, Nika is about to get hit by a car but Rigel saves her. After that both of them go to their class where Nika meets a girl named Billy. And while Rigel is also going to his class, a boy named Leo is telling his friend that now within a few days I will take Nika to a hotel and enjoy with her. Hearing this, Rigel gets very angry, so he starts fighting with them. Seeing this, the teacher comes there and frees them both. But because it was Rigel's first day in school, the teacher lets him go after giving him a warning. After that, as soon as he comes home, he gets upset and locks himself in his room. Nika goes to Rigel's room and starts applying medicine on his injury. But Rigel refuses to touch her and goes away from there. Nika feels very bad seeing this. Now the next day, Anna gives Nika some clothes to keep in Rigel's room. And Nika also goes to his room to keep his clothes. But Rigel is not there, so she starts looking through his things. But then Rigel also comes there. On seeing him, she asks him to be friends. But here Rigel refuses to be friends with her because he knew that Nika never considered him a good person. And in the course of their conversation, they come very close to Nika. Seeing this, Nika does not understand anything. And then the scene shifts and we are shown Nika in school where she is sitting alone. But then Leo comes there and starts flirting with her. Seeing this, Rigel goes to him and takes Nika with him. Now after the school is over, the whole family goes for shopping. After that, Nika tries on a dress and finds it very beautiful. And Rigel is also surprised to see her beauty. And when Nika goes to change her dress, Rigel comes from behind and opens her zip. So as soon as she looks back, there is no one there. She gets very scared after seeing this. After that, Anna comes there and ties a belt on Nika. but Nika feels suffocated because of the belt, and then she starts remembering her childhood days when Margaret used to tie her in a dark room, so that he can overcome his fear of darkness, due to which Nika used to feel that he will die now, but then someone used to come there and hold his hand, due to which Nika used to get some courage. Now the next day when Nika goes to Anna, then only she comes to know that today is Rose Day, and when she goes to school, everyone was celebrating Rose Day there too, where a rose is found in Billy's locker, which makes her very happy, and as soon as Nika opens her locker and looks inside, she finds a black rose there. Seeing this, Nika understands who has kept it, so she angrily goes to Rigel and asks him the reason for giving it. But Rigel refuses and then makes Nika lie down and climbs on her. After that he starts kissing her, but then Leo comes outside. Seeing him, Nika goes outside and starts talking to him. And then Leo asks her to go on a date with him. Hearing this, Nika also agrees. After that both of them go to a restaurant. But then due to bad weather, Nika comes home early. And there Leo tries to kiss Nika, but then Nika stops him. After that, as soon as she comes inside, Rigel is playing the piano. On seeing him she goes to him, but Rigel gets angry and asks her to stay away. Now at night, Nika is having dinner when Leo sends a video message to Nika, in which Rigel has beaten him a lot. She feels very bad after seeing this, so she goes to Rigel and starts asking about it. But then Rigel suddenly faints because he got fever due to begging in the rain. On seeing this, Nika picks him up with great difficulty and takes him to his room. And on the other hand, due to rain, Anna and her husband were also stuck in the jam. So Anna calls Nika, where she tells Anna everything, after listening to which Anna asks her to stay calm. Now here Nika takes off all the clothes of Rigel and gives him medicine, and starts cleaning his body. Now after some time Rigel also regains consciousness. So there Rigel slowly starts kissing Nika. And then the story goes to the past, where we see that on Margaret's request, Rigel took Nika's necklace so that he could save it. And not only this, when Margaret was scolding Nika, Rigel intentionally cut his hand to draw Margaret's attention towards him, because he had started loving her. And Adeline had come to know all these things, but Rigel had refused to tell this to Nika. Now the story comes to the present, where both of them are sleeping together. But then Anna's voice comes there, on hearing which Nika quickly gets up and tries to leave from there. But then Rigel catches her and starts kissing her. But even then Nika gets up and goes to her room, and both of them start behaving like strangers. And then one day Nika goes to Mickey's house, where she is surprised to see her house, because she was rich and her house was also very big. Now the next day when Nika is in the market, Leo comes there, and he tries to talk to her, but Nika ignores him. Seeing this, Leo gets very angry, so he pushes her, due to which Nika's bag falls from her hand, which contained Rigel's birthday gift. Seeing this, Nika gets very angry and leaves from there. And when she reaches home, Anna brings a cake for Rigel, and she had also called her son's girlfriend there. Seeing this, Nika becomes very happy, and then Anna tells that we are adopting both of you. Hearing this, their son's girlfriend gets angry, and says to Anna that how can you people give them the place of your son. Hearing all this, Anna and her husband feel very bad, and on the other hand, Adeline tells Nika that they do not know what we have faced in childhood. That is why we are trying to bring the truth of Margaret in front of the world, and we need your help in doing this, because Nika was treated the worst there. But Nika did not want to face Margaret again, so she refuses. Hearing this, Adeline also talks to Rigel, and she tells him that now you should tell Nika that you love her, and you were the one who held Nika's hand in that dark room. But here Rigel refuses to tell Nika the truth. Now at night when Nika is in her room, she hears Rigel playing the piano, so she goes there and sits beside him, seeing whom Rigel also slowly starts kissing her. But then Leo comes out and starts calling Nika. Hearing this, Nika also goes to him, and then there Leo tells Nika that he loves her a lot and he wants to get into a relationship with her. But Nika refuses him. After hearing this, Leo tells her that the Rigel for whom you are going away from me, understand that he is going to become your brother soon. Hearing this, Nika does not say anything to him, and she asks him to leave from there. After that, as soon as she goes inside, Rigel tells her that I am not worthy of you, and I cannot give you happiness either, so you should go with Leo only. But here Nika starts explaining him, and both of them come closer to each other. After that, both of them start kissing each other and also get intimate there. Now the next day there is a party in the school, so everyone has come there. and Leo was also present there, so he goes to Nicker and requests her to start a new life again. After that both of them start dancing, and he slowly takes her to a classroom. After that Leo tries to force himself on Nicker, but then Rigel comes there and starts hitting Leo. Seeing this, Leo runs away from there. After that both of them start kissing each other, and after all this, when both of them were going to their home, Leo comes there, and he tells both of them that he will tell the whole world about their truth. Hearing this, both of them do not understand anything, so both of them jump into the sea, and then the scene shifts and shows Nicker in a hospital. When she opens her eyes, Adeline is sitting in front of her, and then Adeline tells her the truth that Rigel loves her a lot, and the one holding her hand in that dark room is none other than Rigel, and she also tells her that Rigel is in coma, and Margaret has also been caught by the police because she refused adoption. Hearing this, Nicker becomes very sad. Now after a few days, Nicker also files a case against Margaret, and in front of the court, she also tells everything about the treatment being given in that orphanage. And in this way Nicker wins here. After that she quickly goes to Rigel, who had also regained consciousness. Seeing him she becomes very happy. And then at the end of the movie we are shown that Nicker and Rigel got married and adopted a child, where all three of them were very happy with each other. And with this the movie also ends here.